Hello, Timmy Nafso here, Executive Vice President and co-founder of FortisPay. Apple teaming up with insurance companies to make sure they help drive insurance costs down. How are they going to do that? Using what? An Apple Watch. Interesting, right? Well, what we're finding is insurance rates obviously keep going up. How do you control them? Insurance companies are getting pretty clever. Apple hired on a bunch of doctors, 50 to 100 doctors, to start working on the Apple Watch and healthcare and how it can help manage and monitor healthcare. How this helps small and mid-sized businesses, big businesses, the entire country is really interesting though, right? You're watching doctors start to get involved in helping patients manage actually their health and their daily lives. It's not just about prescribing a pill or a drug anymore. It's now about lifestyle and how important lifestyle is. You're hearing terms like functional medicine. You're watching organizations and companies, large and small, start to add certain things to their organizations, like, you know, bringing in somebody to help them work out, or now standing desks and other things to make our organizations and our team members healthier. That translates as a healthier country to everybody, which is great for us. When you're healthy in your body, you're healthy in your mind, and your mind is healthy, your body's healthy, and everything's working out really well, right? So let's talk about the Apple Watch and what Apple's doing. What we're envisioning here is this idea that if the Apple Watch starts to give data, they're starting with senior citizens right now, and they're looking at if you can tell how many steps they're taking, you can tell their heart rate, you can monitor if they're working out or not, what their activity is, you're able to make better decisions on how they should be insured. If you look at the insurance programs today, what they're saying is, hey, look, you know, please fill out this questionnaire and we're gonna trust that you're telling us everything is true. And with that trust comes a level of risk, and with that risk comes an increased cost. And that increased cost often is going across the board because there's not a better way to manage it if you don't have the data. So data is everything. We're gonna really keep an eye on how this is gonna change and what's going to happen, but it's an exciting time because it's really becoming individualized, right? So somebody that really does take care of themselves, is really doing well in how they eat and how they work out and so on and so forth, is a lower risk than somebody that isn't. But because of not really having the data, this person here has to pay more to meet where this person is because they really don't know who's being honest or who's not, and who's taking care of themselves and who is not. So Apple is really pushing towards this. You're gonna see a lot of companies follow suit. I think it's really a dynamic way to see how an insurance company could take data to drive costs down and to help manage a patient or the insured. Please comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for listening.